Christopher William Kit Young is an English actor. He stars as Jesper Fahey in the Netflix fantasy series Shadow and Bone. Young was born in Oxford and raised in Abingdon-on-Thames. He is of Scottish and Ugandan descent. He has two younger sisters, Hannah and Olivia. Kit attended Abingdon School from 2008 to 2013. He was a member of the Abingdon Film Unit and played the lead role in the school's 2012 senior production of Candide. He was a member of the National Youth Theatre. He had a few minor and ensemble roles as a child, such as in TV film Walter's War and Oxford Playhouse productions Cinderella and Dick Whittington. He went on to train at the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art, graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in Acting in 2017. Post-graduation from RADA, Young played the lead in the extraordinary cabaret of Dorian Gray at the 2017 Underbelly Theatre Festival in South Bank. He also joined the UK tour of The Real Thing as Billy. In 2018, he played Octavius, a production of Julius Caesar at the Bridge Theatre, the journalist in a production of The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie at Donmar Warehouse, and Malcolm in Macbeth at the Sam Wanamaker Playhouse at the Globe Theatre. Young made his television debut in 2019 with a guest role in Endeavour. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.